Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Shimoga location. It is from Karnataka. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for these positions mentioned in this video. And if you want to apply, you can easily apply from there. Coming to the video, uh, firstly, there is a job opening for the member project management. It is from Oghouse Foundation. And if you see the eligibility criteria for this position, like you should be a undergraduate or enrolled in any music course, and you have to be a citizen of India, and you should have basic communication skills in Hindi and English, and you should have basic technical abilities like Excel sheet, Google Forms, Zoom calls, or Gmeet. These are some skills and eligibility criteria for this position. And if you see the perks, build your network and work with people from around the country, and you should have hands-on experience and contribution to a social cause, and you will get a certificate on completion of the tenure, and they will also provide LOR plus goodies. And for this position, freshers are also welcomed. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here, and you can easily apply from the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager credit operations. It is from Bajaj Finserv. For this position, the job duties and key responsibilities will include like ensuring policy adherence and meeting the TAT at branches, and ensuring adherence to vaulting process and policies, and valuation of gold ornaments, data analysis, and sharing of best practices with other location teams. These are some duties and responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the required qualifications and experience, like you should have a graduation with 1 to 4 years of experience in gold loan industry, and you should have knowledge of gold appraisal process and importing gold appraiser or evaluation training. These are some qualifications and the experience required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales executive channel sales. It is from Aegis Logistics Limited. And if you see the job summary, like you have to manage the current channel and expand the distribution for retail business in the assigned territory, and to execute the basic process of sales and channel management, and you have to meet the assigned business channel expansion plan for the year, and you have to meet and shortlist team members wherever vacancy needs to be filled. This is the job summary, and if you see the detailed description, like you have to create a distributor or dealer network in the assigned markets for packed cylinder business, and you have to execute the BTL sales promotion and marketing activities through and along with the channel, and you have to meet the assigned business plans for each business or SKU. This is the detailed information about the job role, like responsibilities. Interested candidates, you can please go through the information given here, and for more detailed information you can please check in the description box for the link. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager PLCS growth. It is from Bajaj Finserv. For this position, the job duties and key responsibilities will include like you have to track and improve key performance indicators such as query resolution time, repeat queries, etc. And you have to track and monitor productivity of branches under geo expansion, and you have to work on delivering critical business projects as assigned from time to time, and you have to provide relevant data points for management reporting. These are some duties and responsibilities for this position. And if you see the qualifications and experience required, like you should have a graduation or post graduation along with the experience like 1 to 2 years in the financial service industry, and you should have excellent communication skills exceptionally high motivational levels. Interested candidates can please go through the details mentioned here, and for more detailed information you can please check in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for the Deputy Area Manager, Debt Management Services Consumer. It is from Bajaj Spencer. For this position, the job duties and key responsibilities will include like you have to control bucket flow cases and focus on non-starters, and ensuring documented feedback, and ensuring legal guidelines are complied with while reposting of products, and ensuring audit queries are compiled with. These are some responsibilities and duties included here. Coming to the qualifications and experience required for this position, you should have people management skill and demonstrated success and achievement orientation, and you should have excellent communicational skills, negotiation skills, and you should have strong bias for action and driving results in a high performance environment. These are some qualifications and experience required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here, and you please check once in the description box for the link to apply. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the front desk receptionist. It is from Delhi International School, and if you see the skills required for this position, like you should be a fluency in English and handling money and data entry and computer on its basic knowledge. These are some skills required for this position, and if you see the qualifications required, like you must be there is 18 years above and PUC pass or more, and this will be a full-time job opportunity, and the salary will be 15,000 per month. Interested candidates can please go through the details mentioned here, and for more detailed information check in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales executive. It is from Unibic Foods. And if you see the responsibilities for this position, like daily market visit as per the plan, and achievement as pre-decided, merchandising and trade activities. These are some responsibilities, and this will be a full-time job opportunity, and the salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 per month, and you have to be higher secondary education qualified, and if you see the experience required, like you should have 3 years of experience, it will be preferred. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here, and please check once in the description box for the link to apply. Last one, there is a job opening for the assisting teachers. It is from Delhi International School, and if you see the job description, like they are looking for the teachers in the subjects like science, English, maths for students from 1st to 5th, and if you are okay with any of the above subjects, you can also apply, and you should have experience in school as a teacher, and you should have fluency in English, and dedication towards the work is needed. For this position, freshers also can apply, and if you see the salary, it will be from 10,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.